Whether your goal is to improve your overall health or shed some pounds for your summer body, getting rid of excess fat can be a tough endeavor. Besides diet and exercise, various other factors can impact weight and fat loss. But don't worry, we have some of the best and unexpected tips for you to burn fat faster. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Cheat diet. To achieve a lean physique, following a clean diet is non-negotiable. However, surprisingly, cheating on your diet every once in a while can aid in losing fat. It's important to note that cheating doesn't mean eating fast food all day long. It simply involves increasing your carb and calorie intake for a single day or indulging in one meal of your choice, such as a pizza, burger, fries, or your favorite dessert. Although it may seem counterintuitive, incorporating a cheat day into your diet can actually help prevent cravings and sustain long-term weight loss success. Just remember to enjoy your cheat day in moderation and return to your clean diet afterward. If you're wondering how it works, well, when you're dieting strictly, your leptin levels start to drop, ones that keep your feelings of hunger down and metabolism up. When the levels of leptin fall, you may burn fewer calories, but you'll still feel hungry, causing you to eat more. Overeating, once in a while, can help boost leptin levels, and this can keep your metabolism high and reduce your feelings of hunger, allowing you to burn more calories and consume less. Therefore, it's important to find a balance between your calorie intake and activity level to keep your leptin levels in check and avoid both overeating and prolonged starvation. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Eating before bed. When you're sleeping, your body enters a state of fast, which causes it to break down amino acids from your muscles to provide energy for your brain in the absence of food. However, if you are already hungry and fell asleep, this can negatively impact your metabolism and hinder your weight loss efforts. Plus, a hungry belly can also induce feelings of stress, which possibly won't let you sleep peacefully. Eating a lightweight meal right before bedtime can help to prevent muscle loss by providing your body with a fuel source to support brain activity. It's recommended to consume a meal that's high in protein or healthy fats, but low in carbohydrates. Some of the great options are cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, natural peanut butter, nuts, and casein protein powder, all of which are slow-digesting, high-protein sources. Casein protein powder has also been shown to boost nighttime fat burning, making it an excellent choice for a pre-bedtime meal. Number 3. Eat slow-digesting carbs. When it comes to pre-workout nutrition, many people still choose fast-digesting carbs, believing it will provide them with a quick burst of energy. While this may be true, it's not the most effective way to burn fat. Slow-digesting, low-glycemic carbs can be a better choice for those looking to optimize their fat loss efforts. According to a study, athletes who consumed a pre-workout meal consisting of slow-digesting carbs and protein burned more fat during exercise and were able to train for longer periods before reaching exhaustion as compared to those who took the other way around. This is mainly because slow-digesting carbs provide a sustained release of energy throughout the workout, allowing for a longer, more intense training session, while burning fat more efficiently. So the next time you're getting ready for a workout, consider fueling up with slow carbs to optimize your fat-burning potential. Number 4. Focus on fat. When it comes to burning fats faster, many people believe that cutting out all dietary fat is the way to go. But according to experts, this is not an effective strategy. In fact, healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats can actually aid in extra fat loss. Foods like fatty fish, such as salmon and trout, as well as walnuts, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Olive oil, peanut butter, avocados, and eggs are all good sources of monounsaturated fats. According to studies, people who followed a low-calorie, high-fat diet, with the majority of fat coming from almonds, lost significantly more body fat than those getting the same number of calories from more carbs and less fat. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet not only aids in quick fat loss, but also provides a lot of other health benefits. So don't be afraid to include foods high in healthy fats in your meals to help you reach your fitness goals. Number 5. Eat fat-burning fruits. Most fruits are rich in fiber, which helps you stay satiated for a long time and aid in weight loss. Some fruits like berries and bananas can be great options to aid in fat loss. Moreover, according to a study, people who ate half a grapefruit or 8 ounces of grapefruit juice 3 times a day lost an average of 4 pounds in 12 weeks. Experts say this could possibly be due to grapefruit's ability to regulate insulin levels and increase metabolic rate. Additionally, apples contain polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that boosts strength, endurance, and aids in fat loss, particularly around the abs. So if you are looking for the best ways to burn fat faster, never forget about including fruits in your daily diet. Number 6. Take enough calcium. When it comes to fat loss, dairy isn't just about getting protein for building muscle. The calcium it contains is also a huge benefit. Studies have shown that calcium can speed up the loss of extra belly fat. Adequate calcium consumption in the diet can suppress the production of calcitriol, a hormone that promotes fat gain and limits fat burning. Calcium may also decrease the amount of dietary fat absorbed by your intestines, and recent research suggests that it helps to suppress hunger. Some good sources of calcium include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, as well as leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. Number 7. Eat organic food. If you want to burn fat faster, buying organic food may be worth the added expense. Research has shown that organic milk contains approximately 70% more omega-3 fatty acids than regular milk, which can aid in fat loss. Additionally, organically raised cows that are grass-fed produce milk and meat that contain significantly higher amounts of conjugated linoleic acid and omega-3 fatty acids. CLA has been shown to promote both fat burning and muscle building. While buying organic may cost a little extra, it can greatly enhance the fat burning process. Number 8. Drink cold water. Another tip to burn fat faster than you may find unexpected is that drinking water, especially cold water, can help with weight loss. It is a simple, inexpensive way to enhance your efforts to get lean. Studies show that consuming 2 cups of cold water regularly can increase your metabolic rate by about 30%. This is likely due to an increase in norepinephrine release, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in our body's fight-or-flight response. Additionally, drinking water between meals can help you feel fuller and lead to consuming fewer calories. A study showed that those who drank 2 cups of water between meals regularly ate less food and lost 5 pounds more than those who did not drink extra water. Number 9. Soy protein. Soy protein is often overlooked as a potent fat burner due to many myths and misconceptions surrounding it. But the fact is, consuming soy protein regularly can help you burn fat faster. A study conducted by the University of Alabama revealed that individuals who consumed 20 grams of soy protein daily for 3 months lost more abdominal fat compared to those who consumed only casein. Soy protein has also been found to increase growth hormone levels, which not only helps in muscle building, but also supports efficient fat metabolism. So if you are looking to get lean, be sure to seek out soy as a dietary option. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.